Okay, so I'm back with the color sewn in and my label. I do have a label. I actually had a label from I started, and I have been putting it in. It's a very basic label. It just says "So Another," made in Jamaica, with a crown. But my color is in. There it is. If I zoom in, you can see the top stitching close to the seam around the neck edge, and then it goes all the way around top stitching. I also have the bands, the front bands in. The front bands went on both sides, right, left and right, front, and that too has top stitching very close to the seam. If I zoom right in, there's a little pin here holding it. Let me remove that. But this is a band, and it goes all the way down. So the top stitching is close to the seam where you attach the band. Then you fold it over to the inside and top stitch again from the outside close to the edge. So this was done on both sides. So the band is in, and then I'll be working on the buttonholes all the way down to attach the shirt. Also, I'm going to be doing the tabs next. I think the tabs are going to go on the sleeves, which aren't in as yet, but I'll show you that when I get to it. So that's the progress so far. Okay, so I've made the tabs. The smaller ones are the side tabs, and the larger ones are the sleeve tabs. So if you look closely, you'll see I have chopped the buttonhole mark there on all of them, and up there at the top, those are where the buttonholes are going to go at the end of the tab before I sew them onto the side and the sleeve. And I've also changed the foot on my machine to a buttonhole foot. So I've taken off the general foot, presser foot, and I'm using the buttonhole. So now on to the buttonholes. So when I first started making these buttonholes, I was very scared. And now you can see I am able to do them. The click you're hearing is my changing the dial on my machine, because it's a 4-step buttonhole machine that I have. So each step there are 4, down one side, across, up the other side, back down one side. So that's clicking sound. And there you have it, one buttonhole. And we're gonna have a look at this in a second. Oh, my needle is still down. I was wondering why it wasn't coming off. Alright. clip this thread, and there you have it, one buttonhole. So it goes across, down, back across, up, and I usually repeat it, so that's why you see me go through it a couple times just to reinforce it. So I'm going to clip these edges now, and I have a buttonhole in the tab. And I did the others before I started to video this, so here's the other one, and the other, and the other, the two small ones, a large one, and the one I just demonstrated for you. So practice makes perfect. Have to get rid of the fear and just press ahead, and it will work out in the end.